Myself Mamta Wanzre from ENTC Department, AISSMS Institute of Technology. Today I am going to Introduction to Compiler. In that, whatever source program is given, that is a higher level language program that is given to compiler. Compiler is also called translator. It generates the target program, that is in the form of machine language program. These are the system program which will automatically translate the high level language program into machine language program. So language processing system, under that whatever input is given, that is a preprocessor. Next is translator. Compiler or assemblers are there that generates the relocatable machine code, and that output is given to loader or linker or editor, and it generates the executable file. So different types of compilers are there: single pass compiler, multi-pass compiler, and load and go compiler. These are the construction, debugging and optimization, that is the functional. However, all utilize same basic tasks to accomplish their action. The model, under that two fundamental parts are there: analysis phase and synthesis phase. Analysis phase, that is the decompose source into an intermediate representation. Synthesis phase, that is a target program generation from representation. So different phases of compilers are there. Analysis phase, under that lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, and semantic analyzers are there. And synthesis phase, under that code optimizer and code generator comes. So whatever input is given, that source program is given to lexical analyzer. That lexical analyzer is also called scanner. It generates the tokens. That tokens is given to syntax analyzer. Syntax analyzer generates the parser tree, that is also called a parser, that is given to semantic analyzer. Semantic analyzer gives the meaning of the input, whatever statement is there, and that output is given to intermediate code generator. It generates the code that is given to code optimizer, and then code generator is there. Last stage is the code generator. It generates the target program, that is a code. Three phases are there: lexical analysis, that is also called scanner. It scans left to right and it generates in the form of tokens, that is also called tokens or lexemes. Tokens are sequence of characters having a collective meaning. Second one is hierarchical analysis, that is also called syntax analysis, that is a grouping of tokens into meaningful collection. And third one is semantic analysis, that checking to ensure correctness of components. So first one is lexical analysis, that is the easiest analysis that identify tokens which are the basic building blocks. Example is shown here: position, that is equal to initial plus rate into 60. Position, initial, rate, these are the identifiers, so all indicates in the form of tokens. That tokens is given to syntax analysis or parser tree or parser. That example is shown here, that is also called parser tree. So what is grammar? That grammar is a set of rules which govern the dependencies and structure among the token. Third one is semantic analysis, that gives the meaning of the statement, so it find more complicated semantic errors and support code generation. Parse tree is augmented with semantic actions, that is a compressed tree, and that one is, that example is shown here, that is a conversion action. Semantic analysis, that is most important activity in this phase. Type checking, that is a legality of operands. Many different situations are there, so basically semantic analysis using grammar. Supporting phases or activities for analysis are: symbol table creation is there, that contains information, storage, type, scope, and others. So on each meaningful tokens typically identifies data structure created, initialized during lexical analysis. It utilized or updated during later analysis and synthesis. Second one is error handling, detection of different errors which corresponds to all phases. So next part of compiler phase is intermediate code generation. It is the abstract machine version of code independent of architecture. It is easy to produce and easy to translate into target program. Next one is a code optimization. It finds more efficient way to execute code that replace code with more optimal statement. Final code generation is there that generate relocatable machine dependent code. Example is shown here, position equal to initial plus 8 into 60. That is the source program that is given to lexical analyzer. Lexical analyzer, that is also called scanner, it scans left to right and it generates the lexemes or in the form of tokens. That output is given to syntax analyzer. Syntax analyzer is also called parser. It generates the parser tree that is given to semantic analyzer. It gives the meaning of the statement. And then next one is intermediate code generator that shows here, and that is given to code optimizer. And last one is a code generator. It generates the code whatever source program is there. So the grouping of phases are front end, that is analysis phase, and back end, that is a synthesis phase. Front end, that under that analysis plus intermediate code generation is there, and back end under that code generation plus optimization is there. So compiler construction tool under that parser generator, scanner generator, syntax directed translation engine, automatic code generators, and data flow engines are there. So these are the introduction of compiler. Thank you.